Getting started with ReaMarker. Navigating the user interface. ReaMarker requires little to no configuration to work. Just open the app after installation and you will be presented with this view. Let's walk through the user interface. First we have our file drop zone. This is where you will drop files that you want to convert with ReaMarker. You can also press the button to open a file dialog where you can browse for a file. If you have questions about what file formats ReaMarker supports as source files, please visit our website and read through the documentation. When adding a file, ReaMarker should automatically detect what source the file is coming from. If it can't detect the software or there is a mismatch, you can manually select the source software from the drop-down menu. Next we have the source FPS drop-down. Here you need to enter the frames per second the source application is set to. This is important to get accurate timecode results. Some applications do not require this while some do. Next we have the destination drop-down. Here you will select what software you want to use the source file in. We will select Grandma 2 in this example. The destination folder button allows you to change the folder where ReaMarker outputs all generated files into. You can see the currently selected folder under the button. If you have any questions, you can always press the question mark. This will open up a web browser and navigate to the ReaMarker documentation. When we are ready to run the conversion, press the big Convert button. Depending on what input and output software you are using, ReaMarker may ask you for more information. In this example, the app needs to know where you want the sequence and timecode items to be placed inside the show file. This is very important to get right for the final macro to work as intended. Grandma 2 allows for timecode offset after import. But for other software where it may not be convenient, ReaMarker will ask you if you want to apply a offset in the conversion. Now we are ready to start the conversion. Press please. The files are now located in the folder we specified as the destination folder.